Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. What is acceleration? How motion really changes over time? What if I told you that motion is not just about speed, but about change? Change that you can't always see, but is always happening right now, even as you sit still, because motion is never truly constant. It is always shifting, always adjusting, and that is acceleration. Today, we slow everything down, we break it apart, and we understand how motion really changes over time. Let's begin. First, what is acceleration? Acceleration is the rate at which velocity changes, not just speed. Velocity, that means speed and direction. So if either one changes, you are accelerating, even if you don't feel it. Imagine a car sitting still, then slowly moving forward. Its speed increases. That is acceleration. Now imagine the car keeps the same speed but turns left. Its direction changes. That is also acceleration. So acceleration is not just speeding up, it is any change in motion now. Let's go deeper. Think about this. If something is not changing, it is not accelerating. A constant speed in a straight line means zero acceleration, even if it's fast, very fast. But the moment something changes, speed up, slow down, turn. Acceleration appears. Now let's visualize it. Picture a ball. You throw it upward. At first, it rises, slowing down, until it stops. Then it falls back down, speeding up again. What is causing this? Gravity, a constant acceleration, pulling it downward, even when the ball is going up. Gravity is still pulling it down. That's why it slows, stops, then falls. Acceleration is always present now. Let's talk about time, because acceleration only makes sense over time. It's not just change. It's how fast that change happens. A quick change means high acceleration. A slow change means low acceleration. Now, imagine two cars. One reaches high speed in a few seconds. The other takes much longer, which has greater acceleration. The first one, because the change happens faster. Now let's slow it down even more. Acceleration can be positive or negative. Positive acceleration means speeding up. Negative acceleration, often called deceleration, means slowing down. But both are still acceleration because both involve change. Now, think about everyday life. Walking, you start moving, you stop, you turn. Every step involves acceleration. Even breathing, even small movements are full of tiny changes, tiny accelerations. Now let's explore something deeper. Why does acceleration happen? Force. Whenever a force acts on an object, it accelerates. Push something, it moves. Pull something, it changes direction. Force creates acceleration. This idea is one of the most important laws in physics. The relationship between force, mass, and acceleration. Heavier objects need more force to achieve the same acceleration. Lighter objects change more easily. Now imagine space, far from gravity. An object keeps moving in the same direction at the same speed forever, unless something changes it. That change is acceleration now. Take a moment and feel it. When a car starts, you feel pushed back. When it stops, you feel pulled forward. That feeling is acceleration. Your body resisting change. Now let's go even deeper. Acceleration can be constant or changing. A constant acceleration means the change happens evenly, like gravity. A changing acceleration means the rate itself is shifting, and that leads to more complex motion. But at its core, acceleration is simple. It is change, change in motion over time. Now, take another breath. Let everything settle. Motion, change, time, all connected. And now, when you see something move, you will know it is not just moving, it is changing constantly, quietly. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.